Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Zelana. And today I would like to show you how I make my homemade mayonnaise. It's very fast. It took me maybe 2 minutes to make it. Easy, and the most important thing, very tasty. So you take 200 ml of avocado oil, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of squeezed lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Dijon mustard makes it really tasty. You can use regular mustard as well, but Dijon mustard gives that a special flavor to the mayo. A little bit of salt. Very important to use blender, and when you use the blender, catch the egg yolk first and then turn on the blender, and you're gonna see that white thing forming, and then you can start mixing the whole mixture together, and that forms the mayonnaise. It tastes so good. It's so fast. It literally took me like maybe a minute to mix everything up and to prepare everything, and it's very tasty. Very important, just make sure that all the ingredients are room temperature. I just want to remind you guys, if you like this type of videos, please press the like button. If you love them, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out my other videos. Share these videos with your families and friends, and enjoy the homemade mayonnaise. It's easy, it's tasty, it's fast, and the most important thing, you know what kind of ingredients goes there. Please don't forget to check out my description below for recipes and affiliated product links that I post. This video probably I'm going to post the hand blender that I use, and the link for a video for avocado egg salad that I posted a couple of months ago. You can use this salad and this mayo. Enjoy. After I make the mayonnaise, I like to put them in small jars, close them, and keep it in the refrigerator. Stay safe and healthy, everyone. Hopefully I'll see you in my next videos.